Before we get into the video, we just want to say we want to grow our channel and we need your help to do it. If you're interested in fish and wildlife content, please consider subscribing. It's our goal to provide objective, non-biased footage from various agencies across the U.S. Now onto the video. On February 8th, 2025, an officer with the Monroe County Sheriff's Office was on patrol when he observed a white vessel anchored for approximately 50 minutes. According to the report, he looked through his binoculars and observed two males cleaning fish near the transom of the vessel.
I'm doing all right. What are you doing?
Just cleaning a few blue runners.
Okay, how do I know they're blue runners? Okay. How do I know that's blue runner that you're cleaning? Where's the bodies?
Right here.
No, that's not the way that goes, sir. All fish must come in and landed whole.
Okay, I didn't get egg because I said let's clean out outside instead of leaving all the guards inside the base, the canal.
Then you take another trip and bring just the carcasses out.
Actually, this is what we just did. We just start cleaning.
FL. What other fish do you have on board?
Huh?
What other fish do you have on board?
Those and a few drunk.
Okay.
You need the paper.
I need to see all the fish. Yes, please.
Control 1.
What's in anything in the cooler?
Yeah.
Okay. Few grunts. You want to pull that out? Yeah, that. Let me see those. You want to pull it out? No. Those. That.
This?
Yes. That. Put it right there. And then the other one. So these are grunts? Those aren't
Well,
grunts.
those are, I think it's, cuberas.
Okay, and how big do they have to be?
I think it's like 10, 12.
Okay, I think.
I was measuring there.
Okay.
Because I have.
Yeah, but if you can measure all you want, but if you don't know how big they got to be, you don't know. You're just measuring them just to measure, right? Okay.
See, those are.
Move that over.
Those are blue runners.
Okay.
Víraselo para que vea la parte de la sangre y eso. So all the same.
All right. Okay. May I have your fishing licenses? You can put those back in. You want to open this up?
Oh, this is the one that I was saving because it was on hook all the way in the guts, and I was keeping alive. I forgot. Believe me.
Okay. Did you catch him?
Well, let me go get the
Do you have your ID?
because I said to him, to my friend, because he's not. I said we gotta try to keep them alive. No, actually, this is not. Can I throw it?
Yeah, that's fine.
That's the idea.
I want the mutton.
No.
I need to measure the mutton. Don't throw anything else away, sir. Hold on.
Okay.
Just wait. Wait a minute. Wait.
No. Definitely they're not 18.
Okay.
Keep it alive.
Keep it alive.
Because the hook goes all the way in the gun.
Okay. Okay.
That's not 18. I can tell you right now.
That's fine. I just need to photograph it. That's mangrove. I want the other one.
Can I throw this?
Why would you throw it away? Is it 10? Why don't you measure it?
Oh, I thought, no, yeah, it's almost 12. It's 12. So this is a good one.
Yeah.
You see, and I was saving to throw that away.
Now let me have the mutton.
No, I know this one, they are 18. They're not
Okay.
18 at all.
Oh, that's fine. Do you guys have ID? Yes, ID, please. Sir, you have ID?
They didn't catch anything.
Okay, I just had to document him, that's all. So you caught the mutton then? Did you have a fishing license or you weren't fishing?
No, he has a license.
Can you give me an offense number reference, possession of undersized mutton snapper? Where'd you guys catch the fish? On the ocean? All right, sir, you're receiving a notice to appear. It's an arrestable offense. I could take you to jail today. Yes, sir. It's not for a live, dead. It's called possession of an undersized mutton snapper. Okay?
I understand what you said. Alive. There, I was not tired. And that's the way that I saw it. It was another time that it was not controlling. But I decided to keep it alive.
When were you going to throw it away?
No, I forgot because we got here to clean it. Well, by the time that I noticed, I would throw it away.
So the law says
You know how many you throw away?
you didn't throw away one.
Eh?
I said you didn't throw away one.
No. Bueno, one because it was on the gut and it was like there and I start moving inside the...
Okay,
Actually,
you
I
release it.
put the Livewell just for that fish because I didn't want to throw it away dying in the water. Because
Okay.
it's
Well,
because I'm...
You're a good human, but you can't possess
When
it.
you're doing your job, I just try to explain to you because not everybody is on the same way.
Okay. All right. Well, you got to go to court. All right. So I'm going to give you a copy, your copy, and it'll have your court date on it. It's actually.
The other thing is, I don't want to say this, but yeah, if you notice, I have no records at all.
I don't look.
Because they never said I just invited.
I don't really look that stuff up, sir. I don't judge on your record because anybody can change. So I don't make my recommendation. I don't make my determination on what I'm going to do to you based on what you've done in the past. That's not fair to anybody.
No, of course.
So
That was not the point. But I thought that you were checking too.
no, I don't.
How about if
I don't check. I don't run a history on just everybody. And again, if you don't have a history, and this is your first time, like you said, then you can talk to the state attorney's office. Maybe they'll just give you pretrial release or something, so you don't end up with a record.
Like I said, you're doing your job.
Yeah. So, all right. So your court date is going to be. This is yours. All right. Let me circle that for you. It's going to be right there, and it says 22625 at 8:45, and there's the address right there. Okay, if you have any questions, you can contact this phone number. That's
The address of the courthouse.
the address is right there, sir. Right there. All right. And then
This
just
is a coincidence.
and then just so you know, remember, you cannot clean fish outside. You have to be.
That was a mistake.
You have to bring fish whole, okay? It must be in whole state. That way it can be inspected. All right? That's like ringing tails out here. Can't do it. There's the same kind of thing. All right?
All right. Thank you, sir.
All right, sir. You're welcome. You have a good day, okay? All right.
In the end, the 62-year-old male named Sergio was charged with possession of an undersized snapper, a second-degree misdemeanor. He has a hearing scheduled for June 5th, 2025. If you like this video and want to see more like it, subscribe to Arrest Cam. As always, thanks for watching.